Hello, kids. Today, we are going to learn about the parts of the body. This is the head. This is the hair. These are the eyes. These are the ears. This is the nose. This is the mouth. These are the teeth. This is the tongue. This is the neck. These are the shoulders. These are the arms. These are the elbows. These are the hands. These are the fingers. This is the chest. This is the stomach. These are the legs. These are the knees. These are the feet. These are the toes. This is the back. Great job, kids! You have learned all the parts of the body.